Welcome! In this lecture, we're going to practice the V sound. To make the V sound, touch the back of your lower lip to the bottom of the front upper teeth. Then use your vocal cords to make the complete sound. Be careful. Don't let your lips come together. If your lips touch, it'll sound like B, not V. Now, Jenny is going to show us how to make this sound.
Va, va, va. Va, va, va. Va, va, va.
The key sound for this lecture is V. V. Let's practice this key sound. I'll speak the green text like this. V. V. You should speak when you see the gray text like this. Get ready. V, 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 V. V, 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 V. V, 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 V. V, 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 V. Next, let's practice some words that have the V sound at the beginning of the word. Get ready. Van, 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 van. Vat, 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 vat. Veil, 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 veil. Vang, 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 vang. Very, 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 very. Next, let's practice some words that have the V sound in the middle of the word. Cavern, 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 cavern. Fiver, 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 fiver. Movie, 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 movie. Revel, 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 revel. Savor, 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 savor. Next, let's practice some words that have the V sound repeated in the word. Valve, 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 valve. Vavoom, 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 vavoom. Verve, 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 verve. Vivacious, 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 vivacious. Vivian, 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 Vivian. Finally, let's practice some sentences that have words using the V sound. Vicky has a van. Vicky has a van. Vicky has a van. Vicky has a van. That veil is very violet. 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 Vic avoids violent movies. Vic avoids violent movies. Vic avoids violent movies. Vic avoids violent movies. Vinny vacationed in Vernon Valley. 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 Please savor the vanilla flavor. 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 Congratulations! You've completed this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to look at the V and B sounds together. See you then.